I need to make breakfast. I do not have time. I'm just gonna make milk for today. Yeah. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be taking Darla on her first airplane trip. So I'm gonna wake up Darla right now. So Darla is a 4-year-old little girl. It's gonna be her first airplane ride. Let's call Darla. Darla. I'm right here, Mama. We are not gonna be having breakfast today because, sweetie, we don't have time. We gotta go on the plane. Okay, Mama. Darla, where are we? We are at the airplane. So we are gonna be boarding really soon. We are really excited to show this with you guys. So let's go on our plane ride. Let's go. It's 3 a.m. in the morning, so it's really dark in here. We really are having a fun time, and our plane will be landing soon.